Never have I ever been seen naked by somebody. Jody, if you're Jesus, God.
Hold on, yes, because
What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razorblade, and today we have a special guest on the channel. You have to say your name and say it. Yo, make sure to laugh from knowing the cause tonight I'm back and laughing with you. So today I'm gonna be the first in like 3 years since I do my YouTube, 3 or 4 years I do one video with my sister. You see, I put her in my vlog every now and then, like a bit. But I'm gonna do one video with her. But this video is a very serious video. Alright now I don't feel like she know what she in her right now.
okay then.
Okay.
So my mom has 4 kids. 2 boys, 2 girls. I am the eldest. She is the eldest of the girls. Some of you know already. Jody, Yannick, all type of names she have. See? But today we are going to play a Never Have I Ever. So me as the big brother, yo, yeah, look. Yeah, look. Me as the big brother have to make sure say, me make you stay in line. Because, remember me did end up move out of the yard. Even you did move out of the yard before because you did start go hurt. So you did out and about your business before me move. And then me move. And then guess what? One day all over the place, I don't know what's been going on, so I need to find out what's going on. So I had some random questions in my phone which I downloaded from Google to ask both of us. I don't have no card or no marker for write or not right now. I don't miss that. But that's why I get to the video. So never have I ever played. If you have, raise a hand. If you have not, you know, keep your stance. Before we start this video, I just want to give a shout out to Anna Rebel. Please subscribe to our channel. Our link I got there down in the description. Top link in the description. She have some fun content. She just started. Really like her vibe. So give her a subscribe. Make sure you know it's a Razorblade send you. Come on, Virgin Squad. Make we do what we have to do this year. Make sure say when we go over there go check my comments so say yo Razorblade send me hi. Leave her a message. Welcome her into YouTube. See? So now let's get to the video. So, as I tell you, these questions were downloaded from Google. I don't plan none. So, we just have to answer according to. Alright, first question. Never have I ever did something wrong and blame it on the next sibling. So, I just, you know. Oh, yeah. You ever blame nothing for me?
No.
Who you blame it for?
Oh, no.
You never do that at all?
No.
You never do that and blame it for Maxie?
No.
She was the, when I say what, she is the best child I have in terms of behavior in the yard, you know.
No, we never blame anybody.
Alright. Never have I ever played Strip Me.
No? Never play.
May I look at your hand, you know, because I see your hand bubble. If your hand ever go, may I make sure I say, Mummy watch that video to Ann Lovell. No, and don't, which I know we're not line of the video, we are big people, we are old now.
Me are 24.
Yeah, big people, so listen, don't play yourself. Alright. Never have I ever told lies about where I was. Meaning say, Mummy, may I go to my pen, go buy something for school and you're there all over the place. Alright, Mummy, alright, I'm going to school now with it. Who knows the all over the place?
No.
Don't lie to me, no.
No.
Don't, yo, you lie. You lying?
No, I'm not lie. If me say me have my pen, they have my pen.
But,
Me just not specify.
okay.
There's a difference.
Okay, well, yeah, I get to that one then. Never have I ever hid someone into our mother's house.
No.
What?
No.
I want you to talk up firm.
No.
You sure?
I am sure.
You're positive?
100%.
Okay. Alright. Never have I ever cried about a breakup. What you cry about man for?
It happens.
No! Wait!
It happens. You know what? People emotional.
Not
you
that.
have feelings.
No, all we have to move back in the moment house. What? I never knew this. Them random questions that just have work. What? How much time?
Uh,
Yeah, more than once. Oh man, I'm scared. I'm scared. My sister cry over man. I'm scared. What?
You cry over a situation and not cry over man.
Still the man. Anybody say that say
No, there's a difference.
Me good Jody.
Sometimes you cry because you realize, oh, what was I doing? What was I thinking? You still cry because you get emotional.
So you cry because you love him too?
No, sometimes, alright. There are different reasons you cry.
Answer that part.
The time.
And you cry about the man because you miss the man?
No, me not cry because
oh, make sure. Jesus, I'm ready for ball.
So you cry because you waste your time. And there are different reasons. But yeah, it happens.
You cry more than once over situations. I never knew it was a cry baby.
No.
I never knew this. Boy, the random Google question. Alright. Never have I ever had more than one partner at a time.
Me not hold up my what's the problem for?
Never have I ever stole food out the pot.
Me always a cook.
Yeah, when we used to live together, you cook most of the time. So you don't thief food out the pot, me no cook. Are you taste different from the steal, you know?
Me just taste, me not steal it.
You ever shot me none of my food, like if me give you get 5 when you shot me because you never mind, be honest. Me too old to fight.
No, me shot my food.
You shot yours?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a good sister, so we love you. Alright. Never have I ever, yo, right now, never have I ever said nudes.
Never.
Jody, if you ever put up your hand.
Never. Lovell, we watch it.
Oh, you know Lovell for know.
Lovell asked me to pull my phone the other day. She said, go in the gallery and look for something. She know I'm book up on no nudes. Me say me not take them picture there, I don't send them. She said, me no want no picture up. Me go book up no picture from your wife.
Why? But yeah, them don't come. We have to what you do.
I don't send them. As soon as me get them, me delete them.
Oh, someone has said everything there.
Still send them, yeah.
Alright, you no send none. Alright, you're good. Never have I ever had a crush on my siblings' friends. Oh, you don't say? What? Ooh.
What? Alright, moving on.
No, stop.
Moving on.
No, we don't move on. Ooh,
No,
my friend.
Love it.
No, me ask if I don't have my friend them.
If Jason spent 24 years on Earth and if...
What you explain to me because I don't see it, you know?
Oh yeah.
One of my friend them?
Yes.
Who?
But I did just crush. We go primary school together. And then... I don't remember if high school, but... Yeah.
For so long?
No, I said... I was in there high school. But him never go to same high school. But
for so long?
No, crush different from...
You know my...
I just crushed.
Moving on. You did want to know who me have crush man? I don't know about the crush, we did kind of look at her. You know what?
I did more than one, so...
Oh, you... Okay, yeah, study me.
Hold on. Now who do?
I don't really crush, we did like her, we did like look at her like, I think Patricia.
Patricia?
That's what your name?
Oh, I'm gonna hard it.
Yeah.
About,
Call name man.
Jersha.
Oh yeah, we did like Jersha. We did like everybody. I don't really crush, I just like. We don't know if you call him. I never have a crush for nobody yet. I just like, I just want you. I don't want you, but I don't sit down a mate by you. No, I either want you or I don't want you. Alright. Never have I ever missed school to go to my partner's house. Look, Jody, not even look for you.
Never.
You look like you can't think about Jody, stop. Stop me lying. Jody, me not even look for you.
Never.
I'm gonna repeat the question. Never have I ever whole school figure a man or woman yard.
Never.
Jody, if nobody texts me as Jody,
Nobody can text you.
never have I ever stalked someone. Never?
When there's a stalk, what you mean?
Like, you know, say, I go there library, you're gone to library, you're so did it for watching her. Every Wednesday you want there, and them little things. I'm not talking your man, you know. Stalk, like somebody you know there with you, you like.
Oh no.
So you start man where with?
No, I'm not that type of person.
Okay, I see. Never have I ever clogged the toilet. I don't think me ever cloggy, but probably if me do it one time. But me know somebody in our family will been cloggy toilet every but when I go say for you,
I feel like it did clog up before me use it. It did clog up. So you know,
you know really count.
Has been clogging
before,
up.
yeah. Alright, so you know you then.
You know me.
Alright. Never have I ever gotten beaten for someone's partner. Meaning say a girl, how we go? A man beat me for a girl, or a girl beat me for the man.
Never.
Never fight for no man.
Never, and if you reach that state, then me not get beat up.
So you they contemplate for fight for man, Joe?
No, if it should reach that state, me not gonna be one to get beat up. Oh,
okay. Never have I ever tried skinny dipping.
Never.
You know what is skinny dipping?
Yeah, jumping at the water naked.
With somebody else there.
Never, because first of all, we don't even like go see.
Pool. Any one of them?
None of them.
Never have I ever been seen naked. This is the last one. Never have I ever been seen naked by somebody. Jody, if you're Jesus, God.
Hold on, yes, because me have my mother.
No. Cut out, movie. Cut out. Me not look over never, you know. Never have I ever been seen naked by somebody other than my family. Jody.
Oh yeah, me did the hospital and the doctor have to see me. Yeah.
No.
Other than family.
Other than my family doctor who a random man, Jody. Jody, talk to me, Jody. Never have I ever been seen.
What you mean by a random man?
Never have I ever been seen naked by a person who I know take them and take care of me, I know my family.
What kind of question this just to ask?
No, so wait, no, come back in the frame. What? Wait, where your answer?
Me no put up my hands, so me no give you
no. So me no feel like you can be honest.
So, if I know my family and I'm a doctor, and me not say yes, then I know. Yeah.
You know, I feel like some light in this video, you know.
Anyway, because me know that my boyfriend now watch this video.
You have boyfriend? Yo, people may have finished that video right now. You have talk. You have what? People who have finished this video right now.
Oh,
remember to subscribe to the person. You have what?
You remember say
where you talk about proud about boyfriend from my camera say?
Yo, you remember say me past 18.
I don't match. Yo. Oh. End of video. Remember to like the video and comment. Anyone wish to tell like and comment below. Jody, I need to talk to you in private. No, me not joke.
Why?
Me not.
Okay.
Yeah, just go buy one pill for me.